What kind of a painter are you if you cannot create a window? Monet's painting functions in this project as such a window. A carpet of grass leads to the reproduced image of poppy field in a hollow, hanging on the wall, serving to extend the landscape of Giverny into the physical space.
4 different notions were played in order to translate an impressionist painting into a 4-dimensional representation. The first being the effect of viewing distance. A comfortable distance between the painting and the viewer allows one to see the whole picture. In our installation, as the audience comes closer to the painting, the whisper of the painting shifts from comfortable environmental sound towards noisy, primitive sound frequencies.
Many impressionists like Monet like to pan the scene multiple times to capture the shadow and light at different moments. This series of paintings therefore incorporate a time dimension. In the installation, the atmosphere of the sun will also shift gradually from morning to evening to reflect the time dimension.
Impressionist painters also like to paint ordinary subject matter in the wild. A butterfly might dance through a garden the painter was depicting unexpectedly. To reflect this aspect in our installation, an audience can raise his hands to feel what's happening in the sky or lower his body to hear what's happening on the ground.
I like the kind of concept of like you're kind of walking around in the foreground of the painting.
So definitely it's very, open in space, and then you can kind of have a spring kind of feel.
I felt the sound was associated with the kind of like the very big plain area.